So Heron's formula for area of a triangle, this is what's going to happen if we have the situation where you know all three sides, but you don't know any angles. And it's not a right angle triangle. So first of all, if we have a right angle triangle, we can use our old triangle formula, 1/2 base times height. If you had two sides and the angle between them, for example, if I have two sides and that angle, then we could use our new formula that we learned the other day, 1/2 BC sine A. But now we're also going to learn a formula if we have all three sides. And the area formula, if you have all three sides, looks like this. That is a long square root sign, hey? Does it make you nervous? Where S is the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is halfway around the perimeter. So perimeter means add up all the sides. A plus B plus C. If I just did half of that, I would get A plus B plus C all divided by 2. Perimeter cut in half. So, are you ready? We'll do an example. So if we were given this triangle, and we were asked to find the area of this, first of all, can you see that the perimeter of this whole thing is 25? 6 plus 8 is 14 plus 11. The perimeter is 25. So our semi-perimeter will be half of 25. So our area (12.5 minus 6), 12.5 minus 8, and 12.5 minus 11. Type this all into your calculator all at once. And you get your area. It's not that bad. So it is really helpful when you have a situation like this, because our other formulas, you would have to use the cosine law first to find the angle, and then you could use the other formula. Now I'm going to show you that this works. We're going to do one more example. I'm going to give you a triangle that you know. This one could be mental math, just looking at it. What's the area of that? So there's some complicated mental math happening here, but you should be able to look at this and tell me that the area is it's 6. Good. Anthony, how did you figure that out? And you can use base times height because you know this is a 90-degree angle. Because it's your special 3, 4, 5 triangle. So if you recognize the 3, 4, 5 triangle as a 90-degree, then you've got your base and your height. And you could just do base times height divided by 2. Now, if you didn't recognize that, then you might go to this formula. First of all, our perimeter here, 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 12, so our semi-perimeter will be 6. And if we use this new formula, it's up to you. You will get 6 times 3 times 2 times 1. Square root of 36, which is 6. This is just a nice one, a nice feel-good one to see, oh, it does work even with ones that I know how to do the other way. So sometimes you're going to be asked to find the area of a triangle where you're given all 3 sides, and now you have a new formula that allows you to do that.